Hey, it's Tim here. In Tableau 2021.2, Tableau have actually made animations on by default. In 2020.1, they actually introduced animations and they were great because they allowed people to start to tell stories using the transitions from one data point to the next or one state to another. And now what they've done in 2021.2 is they've essentially made them on by default, which means as you play around with your visualizations, things will always animate unless as an author you switch it on or off. So for example here, when I select technology, here you'll see that things animate. That's on by default. As soon as I opened up this workbook, that was something that happened. So if I just deselect consumers, you'll see that it changes there. Corporate, again, you'll see that that's on. And the way you know this is on by default, if you open up any new dashboard, you essentially go up here to formatting, and once you're there, you go to animations, and once there, you'll see that the default option over here on the left hand side is on. And they've got some sort of sensible smarts as well, 0.7 seconds as the sensible duration for that animation. I think that's actually quite a good one. I like these to be a little bit crisper sometimes, but sometimes when they're crispy, they can sort of seem like they're stuttering back and forth. So essentially, I think just leave the defaults as they are, unless you want to sort of really get into that, and you can. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. The main thing here is that they're on by default. So if you start seeing animations in your dashboards and you're wondering why, that's because it's now on by default. So go ahead and switch it off if you don't want them there. And by all means, enjoy the feature. I'll catch you in the next video.